Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So recently my mum bought a new Rotary washing line. So in this video I'll be installing it in the garden. So here is the new line all ready to go. First I had to get it out of the packaging and make sure I don't cut any of those lines. And here is the ground socket. This part will be cemented into the ground. So then I could open up the line because I want to put it upside down so that I can position it and figure out where I want to put it. And once I've found that out, I'm just marking it with a block of wood so that I know where to dig the hole. Then I could dig the hole. So what I'm using is a sort of standard garden spade, and I'm using the width of the head of the spade as a guide to make a square hole, and that should be big enough to support this ground socket. I'll remove that top piece of turf with 3 or 4 centimeters of dirt underneath it because I'll be adding that back later on. So then I could continue to dig the hole, and I want to get the hole roughly as deep as the ground socket. So once it was deep enough, as you can see, it will sit roughly flush with the top of the lawn, so that when that top goes on, when it's not in use, you'll be able to mow the lawn over the top of it. So now for the mixture, I'm using sand and cement, and I'm adding lots of like rough gravel, anything really, stones, broken bricks. Just want to make a basic concrete here, sand and cement concrete. First I wet the hole just so that it doesn't draw too much moisture out of the concrete. We don't want it cracking as it was a hot day, and then I could begin to add the concrete mix. As you can see, I've put the ground socket in the middle of the hole, and now I'm just working that mix around it, chopping it up so that it all sinks down. And I can remove air bubbles that way too to make it nice and solid. And then I just added some more stones at the top and pushed them into the mix, and this will just help to keep it nice and strong, add some strength and support. You could just use sand and cement for this, it doesn't really matter. Now I want to get it nice and level, so I added the bottom part of the line into the ground socket, and then I can use a spirit level to make sure it's level all the way around the pole. And I've got some big rocks there just supporting it while the cement sets. So once the cement was set, I could add that piece of turf back. So I put the lid down on the ground socket, and then I can cut around it with a knife. And then to fill any gaps, I've got some fine dirt, and I'm just working that around the corners. And then I gave it a watering just to make sure it grows back nicely. And then I could just put the line into the ground socket and set it up. Okay, so that is about it then for this video. So that's the rotary washing line installed and it's now being used. So if you have any tips on how to install a rotary washing line, I'm sure there's lots of different ways you can do it. Please leave your comments down below, and I hope you did find this video useful. If you did, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.